Hey guys, this is a look at our homework for section 2.3, how do you add whole numbers efficiently. This is just another way of looking at mental math, like how to add. So I'm going to go through these first two. I've already got them worked out. You'll need to use your work from today that we did in class, and then you'll need to use these as a guide, okay? So I'm going to do the first several with you, all right? So here we go. First thing you need to do is to divide these into, there's the ones place, the 6 and the 4s and the 1s, the 5 and the 3s and the 10s, and the 4 and the 1s and the 100s. Okay, so now that we've got that, this is how we do this. We say 6 ones plus 4 ones. So I wrote that right here. 6 ones plus 4 ones. All right, that's going to give us 6 plus 4. Now I move to the tens place. I put 5 tens. 5 tens comes from here to here, plus 3 tens. 3 tens, so that's 5 tens is 50. 3 tens, that's 10, 20, 30 is 30. So 50 plus 30 is 80. And then we look in our hundreds place, and we've got 4 hundreds plus 100. So I wrote that here. 4 100s plus 1 100. So all I did was take these and then move them over here, okay? So 4 100s plus 1 100. That's 4 plus 100, which equals 500. All right, so let's look at that one more time. 6 ones comes here. 4 ones. 6 plus 4 is 10 when we write that there, okay? And now we've got our tens place. We've got 5 tens, which I wrote here, plus 3 tens, because this is in the tens place, all right? And then 5 tens is 50. 5 times 10 is 50, plus 3 tens. 3 times 10 is 30, okay? Now we look at the hundreds place. We've got 4 hundreds plus 100, all right? So 4 100s is here, so that's in the hundreds place. 4 100s, and then we've got 1 100. 400 plus 100, here we go, 400 plus 100, that's 500. So now I add up all my ones, all my tens, all my hundreds. Zeros becomes a 0. 1 plus 8 is 9. Bring down the 5. We got that one done. Let's move on to number 2. All right, so number 2, we first thing we do is we label ones, tens, and hundreds. All right, and now we add 7 plus 8 ones. So 8 ones goes here, plus 7 ones. 8 plus 7 is 15, so I write 15 here. And then we look at our tens, and we say 3 tens plus 5 tens, and then I write 3 tens plus 5 tens. So 3 times 10 is 30. 5 times 10 is 50. 30 plus 50 is 80, so I write 80 right here. The next thing I look at is my hundreds, okay? 6 100s plus 2 100s. So I write that here. 6 100s, I wrote it here. 2 100s, I write it here. 6 plus 2 equals 8, or 600 plus 200 equals 800. So I write 800 here. And now I got to do my math. I add up all the ones, all the tens, all the hundreds. So 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 8 is 9. Bring down my 8. That's 895. Okay. So, I'm going to have to erase a little bit over here. Now, let's look at number 3. All right, so I am going to label my ones, tens, and hundreds. All right, so, and now I'm going to put 3 ones. Okay, so 3 ones plus 5 ones. Okay. 3 plus 5 gives me 8. Next, I'm going to look at my tens place. Hey, baby. Uh-oh. Somebody stopped in to say hey. Messed up. All right, so now I'm going to look at my tens place. Okay, so 7 tens plus 6 tens. All right, so 7 times 10 is 70. And then, oh, so I'm going to have to write that up here. I'm running out of room. So 70, and then 6 tens is 6 times 10 is 60. So 70 plus 60 is 130. So I'm going to write 130 here. All right, and then next I'm going to look at my hundreds. Okay, so I've got 2 100s plus 3 100s. So 2 times 100 is 200, 3 times 100 is 300, 200 plus 300 is 500. All right, I bring down my 8. 3 plus 0 is 3, and 5 plus 1 is 6. Now you see over here, which I forgot to mention to you, I double checked all my math. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 263 plus 375, which is what we have right here, just to make sure I come up with 638. If I don't, then I know I did something wrong. 3 plus 5 is 8. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry my 10. 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So 638. This number matches this number. Okay? All right. Let's look at number 4. Now we have, I'm going to use a different color down here so we don't get mixed up. All right, so here we're going to label our ones, tens, and hundreds. All right, so 5, we have to add 5 plus 4 ones, so 5 ones plus 4 ones equals 9. And now we look at our tens place. 3 tens plus 1 10. So 3 times 10 is 30. 1 times 10 is 10. 30 plus 10 is 40. So 40. And now I'll look at my hundreds place. So we got 9 times 100. 9 100s plus 4 100s. 9 times 100 is 900. 4 times 100 is 400. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So we got 1300. So now I got to add everything up. 9 plus 0 is 9. 4 plus 0 is 4. And then bring down my 13. 1349. So now I got to check it. I'm going to use green to check it. So 914 plus 435. 4 plus 5 is 9. 3 plus 1 is 4. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1349 matches 1349. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. All right, now I'm going to erase this so when I get down here, I don't mess that up. All right, I'm going to have a pause because it's 10:13 and I'm about to have to go get you guys from PE at 10:15, and then I'll make a second video. Okie dokie artichoke.